How to contact Khan Academy support. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to contact the support of the app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top, just right here, select it. Scroll down and here you can find help and feedback. Right here, tap on it. Then tap on to open in browser, just like this. Now here you can see you have simply came to the support system of the Khan Academy. Now you want to report a problem on it, then simply tap onto three lines at the top right here, select it. Then here you can find report a problem, select it. Now from here you can simply submit a request and you can simply contact the app. And that's it. This is how you can contact Khan Academy support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.